These 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies are my favorite. So soft and chewy, yet incredibly simple to make. They taste best fresh from the oven when they are at their chewiest. To make these 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies, add 1 cup of smooth peanut butter to the mixing bowl. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar and then add 1 egg. And then just give it a quick mix till the dough looks nicely mixed together and a bit sticky, as you can see in the video here. Next, scoop the dough onto your parchment paper covered baking tray, leaving a bit of space between each cookie. This recipe makes about 9 to 12 cookies, depending on the cookie size. Then, using a fork, press down gently to create that classic crisscross pattern on top of each one, just like this. To keep these peanut butter cookies soft and chewy, bake them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. They might look slightly underdone when you take them out, but that is exactly what you want. They will continue to set as they cool, giving you that perfect chewy texture in the middle, with just a bit of crispiness around the edges.
Yum.
If you liked this easy peanut butter cookie recipe, then check out also this 140-year-old cookie recipe here that I found on Reddit. Those cookies need more than 3 ingredients, but my clever ingredient substitution made it much easier to prepare and still turned out incredibly delicious.